How to lock Instagram app. So if you want to lock your Instagram app using the pattern lock, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now scroll down and you can go with security option. Under security, scroll down again and go with privacy and app encryption and enter the fingerprint. And after that, you just need to simply go with app hiding. So if you want to hide the app, you can go with app hiding, or if you want to lock the app, then you can go with app encryption, or you may also have an option of lock app. So simply tap on it. In my case, I have app encryption. So if you tap on app encryption, it will give you the apps in which you would like to lock. So for example, if you want to lock your Instagram, then you just need to simply go and search the Instagram, toggle on the option of Instagram, and then remove this and tap on your Instagram. And it will ask you to enter your fingerprint, or you can use your password. You can simply tap on use password, which will be on the bottom, and you need to enter your password or pattern, and after that your Instagram will be opened. So if you want to add pattern lock, then you just need to simply change your lock on your device from fingerprint to a pattern. And once you've done that, it will be applied same to the Instagram also. So that's how you can lock your Instagram app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.